For many years, the character of Son Goku has been misrepresented through many different interpretations born of parodies and falsehoods that do not exist in the original 42 volumes of the manga. It has come to the point where official material can start many an argument about Goku's character. The fandom is lost, it's as simple as that, and what we need is to look through the manga and re-evaluate the character of Son Goku. We need to check on every decision Son Goku has made free from bias of parodies and outside material. And that's exactly what I'm going to help everyone do. A proper dissection is one massive essay explaining everything about a character, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you all write your own dissection. Welcome to Class 59. We're studying Son Goku. Starting from Volume 1, Page 1, we are going to look through every point of Goku's character and come to our own conclusions about it. Then at the end, I'll share my dissection and hope that you all will share yours with me. Keep in mind that the character analysis is not complete until we reach the end of the series. I repeat, the character analysis is not complete until we reach the end of the series. Goku grows up, he matures, his ideologies change, and just about everything about him shifts as the story goes, creating a completely different character by the end. So hold off on spreading any facts about the character until we reach the end of the series, alright? Please remember that I can't read or speak Japanese, so if there's a translation error in the scans I am using that you think changes the character analysis, then let me know in the comments and I'll address all of the ones that are worth something in an additional video titled Amendment. Let's create a well-informed fanbase and talk about Son Goku together.